guys, this is me, Pao, and this is my pet Georgie. And Georgie will topple this big tower. And don't just cancel that. Don't just cancel me. And can you please like and subscribe because I'm trying to get. So guys, this is my pet Georgie and this is me. It's not raining outside. It's not raining outside right now, and my pet Georgie is surviving a full clock tower. Just 1 to 6. I mean 1 to 7. But
Okay. Hindi naman ano yung sa iwa po. Okay po.
Ito sa'yo yan. Yung guys, I'm gonna topple this, okay? Just topple it.
Wala pa, hindi ka na pupunta mamaya.
Go. Guys, I'm gonna topple it. Hello guys, my name is Pao and this is my pet Georgie. So, Georgie will topple it. I'm gonna topple it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 2. The top, guys. Okay. 1, 2, 2. Sabi ko, wait pa eh. Sabi ko, wait.
Lipit na.
Hello guys, my name is Pao and this is my collections, and we're videoing the same time. So let's fall down this. Anyways, let's go into it one.